Hello, friends. Welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman. I'm into real estate from last 25 years, and I take my job as serving rather than selling. And I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. तो आज का टॉपिक है दोस्तों L&T Rejuve 360 at Mulund West. Let's begin with the show. So friends, as everybody knows, L&T is a branded developer and they are into industry, into construction as well as into development from last several years. और जब L&T का प्रोडक्ट की बात आती है तो there is no doubt they give a better quality, very branded product is there. In fact, most of the developers in Mumbai, they give their construction contract to L&T just because L&T is pioneer into construction and the construction quality is very good. And secondly, they have come into development also right now. So many of the projects are going on in Mumbai. So one of the project is Rejuve 360, which is at Mulund West. तो सबसे पहले जैसे मैं हमेशा अपने वीडियो में बात करता हूँ, सबसे पहले हम लोग प्लॉट देखते हैं. प्लॉट में जैसा यहाँ पर बता रहे हैं कि ये जो प्लॉट है दिस इज अराउंड 11 एकर्स ऑफ प्लॉट. तो 11 एकर्स ऑफ प्लॉट में ये जो पोर्शन है दिस इज गिवन टू BMC. यू कैन कॉल इट अ रिक्रिएशन ग्राउंड. So this has been allotted to the BMC and it becomes a public garden. And this plot over here जो कि करीबन 6.5 एकड़ का प्लॉट है, 4.5 एकड़ का प्लॉट जो है वो रिक्रिएशन ग्राउंड ग्रीन को अलॉटेड है, रिक्रिएशन ग्राउंड है. और जो 6.5 एकड़ का प्लॉट है उसमें जो है वो सेल बिल्डिंग आएगी. अब जो सेल बिल्डिंग जो इनकी है जिसका नाम Rejuve 360 है, डेवलप्ड बाय L&T. So Rejuve 360 by L&T, this is the tower which is called Rejuve 360. Now this has A wing, B, C, D and E. So these all are proposed. These are not started now, these are future developments. So right now this construction is going on and they have already started construction for this. So this building, when we speak about this building is around 2 level of basement parking and 10 level of podium parking. And on the podium level, they have given all these amenities are given on the podium level. These are all on the 10th floor of the podium level. And building is actual 57 habitual floor. So A wing right now जो construction जिसका चल रहा है, this is 57 habitual floor. In this wing itself, there are 9 flats are there with combination of 2, 2.5 and 3.5 BHK flats. So there are 2 BHKs also, different dimensions are there. In 2.5 also different dimensions are there, and 3.5 also different dimensions are there. So let's see further. So friend, this is L&T Realty Rejuve 360, which is at Mulund West. And as you know, builder is a branded developer. Rejuve 360, this name is given because you relax, you revitalize, you re-energize in this project over here, and you regenerate your life over here. So that's why this is called as Rejuve 360. So in Rejuve you have plenty of open spaces there below. So you get plenty of open lawn is there and plenty of ground is there below in this complex. And so Rejuve 360 is a true heaven for you and your family's wellness. And there are lots of amenities given in this complex for your wellness goals. So in few to read out, there are indoor badminton courts, there is squash court, party deck with pool view, indoor cave, indoor multi-games room, table tennis room, billiards, snooker, pool table, toddlers soft play area, business lounge, state-of-the-art gymnasium, multi-purpose hall with provision of yoga and aerobic and Zumba activities. So all this provision has been given in Rejuve 360. And as you see, there is a jogging track also in this complex, which is very close to nature. And this is a wonderful picture of the complex where you see a large size swimming pool with a water body and waterfall over here. When you hear the water sound over here, you can imagine. Actually, you regenerate your mind and body and your soul basically when you hear the sound of the water over here, and you just sit and relax. You don't swim also, you just sit and just relax and hear the water sound over here. You will feel fresh when you come in this complex over here. And the complex is so well decorated. You can see the vertical gardens over here, and all the side greeneries are given over here. And there is a large size swimming pool with the deck over here, and lots of greeneries and lightnings are provided in this complex. So you can see the building finishes also. Building L&T makes a very good building. The construction quality is very good. There is no doubt about it. The quality is absolutely very good. And you can imagine the color, even the white color with the combination of gray and dark gray color they have given. So this combination looks very good. ये जब ऐसा लाइट और डार्क शेड्स का कोई भी बिल्डिंग का जब कॉम्बिनेशन ऐसा देते हैं तो बिल्डिंग जो है वो काफी निखरने लगती है. वो व्हाइट और डार्क शेड का कॉम्बिनेशन थोड़ा सा डार्क होना चाहिए, बहुत डार्क भी नहीं होना चाहिए, लेकिन उसका जब कॉम्बिनेशन होता है तो बिल्डिंग और ज्यादा अच्छी दिखने भी लगती है. और प्लस यहाँ पर इस बिल्डिंग में प्लस पॉइंट ये है कि कुछ फ्लैट्स में डेक भी दिया हुआ है, जिसको हम लोग बैल्कनी बोलते हैं या डेक बोलते हैं, तो वो भी दिया हुआ है इस कॉम्प्लेक्स के अंदर. सो ये एक तो बिल्डिंग की बात हो गई, प्लस जो एमिनिटीज आप देख रहे हो यहाँ, यही से आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हो कि इट्स अ वर्ल्ड क्लास एमिनिटीज एंड वेल प्लान्ड एंड वेल डिजाइन्ड एमिनिटीज आर बीन facilities and amenities are given in this complex. And there is a vertical garden over here, and high fencing has been given over here because this is on 10th floor over here. तो बच्चे वगैरह भी यहाँ पर आते हैं तो this is so heighted. This is at least 30 feet height wall is there. So below there is a straight down up to 10th floor because this is on 10th floor. So for the safety precaution, this wall has been given because this is on 10th floor. These amenities is on 10th floor. So कोई बिल्डिंगों में ऐसा होता है कि सिर्फ रेलिंग दे देते हैं यहाँ पर, जो कि काफी रिस्की होता है. तो here developer has taken care of the safety also over here, right? So here the image says that the Reju 360 is made to offer you complete peace of mind. You enjoy with your loved ones, you enjoy with your family, and there are plenty of amenities like herb gardens are there, reflexology path is there, water cascade, a pool deck and cabana, pavilion, senior citizen area. So these are all the amenities and facilities which developer is providing in this complex here. Again, you see this is the image of the clubhouse. You see the jogging track over here. This can be used as a walking track also, and this is what a plenty of plantation has been given. It's a vertical garden over here, and plenty of plantation has been given over here. And especially night time, when lights are there in this complex over here, this complex will look more better, more glamorous, and it will look more elegant when nighttime lightnings are there in this complex. And you can see the club cascade over here. There's a large size club has been given over here, which is having a large size swimming pool. This is the image of the sample flat. You can see it's a well decorated flat. Of course, जितना आप पैसा खर्चा करोगे फ्लैट के अंदर उतना कम है, but you have to see the wall paintings and the doors and the fittings of the doors and the tilings. Here they have given marble floorings has been given over here. White color paint has been given. So this looks more better. Even the bedroom, there is a French cut windows are there, and wall to end wall, there is a glass window is there. So what happens when you open this window, you get natural light to get inside the flat. So flat is always, you don't have to put the light on, always a bright light is there. And secondly, even if you open the slide window from here and from the other bedroom or kitchen or hall, so there's a cross ventilation in this flat. Even in other bedroom, you see there's a full end-to-end window and up to the ground, which we call it a French cut window. So this is given up to the bottom. So all this portion has been taken into window from end to end. So यहाँ पर आपको जो नेचुरल लाइट है वो पूरा 100% नेचुरल लाइट बाहर से मिलती है. अगेन किचन का आप देखोगे, kitchen is also of course developer will be giving only the platform and tiles of half tiles over here. So these cabinets you have to make these cabinets, but again the sink and tap and the granite platform and half tiles over here. So these below the tiles over here, these are all anti-skid tile. So these all well quality tiles has been provided by developer. So again, you see the entire complex has been designed in keeping the wellness of your mind. Again, this is the image of the clubhouse and the swimming pool as I showed you earlier. And you see the sitting arrangement over here. When you see this sitting arrangement over here and you see the water bodies, which is waterfall over here. And even when you sit and relax over here, just sit for 10 to 15 minutes over here and do meditation. Normally people can do meditation anywhere, but when you just hear the sound of this waterfall, so definitely you will feel something different. And there's a very good entrance lobby has been decorated over here. So you can see the good plantation, all the side has been given. And here you see this is the lobby entrance. Again, this is the place where amenities are provided on top over here, and this is the elevation of the building. And some places they have given kids play area. So lots and lots of amenities are provided in this complex. Again, there are plenty of amenities for kids also. There are plenty of amenities are there. There's an open lawn. And even the public ground can be used. Anybody can go there and they can play over there. वो मेरे ख्याल से 4.5 एकड़ का प्लॉट है, तो अपने आप में काफ़ी बड़ा प्लॉट होता है. जो बच्चे अगर वहाँ पर जाकर क्रिकेट खेलना चाहते हैं या कुछ फुटबॉल खेलना चाहते हैं या कोई दूसरे बिल्डिंगों के साथ मैच खेलना चाहते हैं वहाँ पर जाके, तो वो बड़े ग्राउंड में जाकर खेल सकते हैं. तो दिस इज अगेन द इमेज ऑफ द एमिनिटीज एंड यू सी ओवर हियर दिस इज a football court, and this court can be used for multi-purpose court. Basically right now they are showing this for a football, and plenty of plantation has been given in the surrounding area. So in indoor games you have table tennis, you have squash, and plus you have lawn tennis also. You can play and you can make your kids also get practice to lawn tennis. And where this project is located, so this project is located, this is Mulund railway station, and this is the west area over here. And when you see, this is LBS Marg. So from LBS Marg, you have from station, it is hardly, I think so, 1.5 kilometer or maximum 2 kilometer. It's 1.5 kilometer, not more than that. And in LBS Marg, there's a metro line running parallel to this LBS Marg. And there's a MACD over here. There's a PVR cinema, and this plot is located exactly opposite to this, exactly opposite to MACD. Then there's a DMart, and there are some schools over here. So as everybody knows, LBS Marg is very populated area. There is DAV International School is also over here. Then Fortis Hospital, then R Galleria, and Jain Darasar is there, the DMart, St. Mary Convent High School, Shri Ravi Shankar Vidya Mandir is there. So basically this place is, the ecosystem is very good over here. So this Goregaon Mulund link road junction start exactly इसके बाजू में से ये जो है गोरेगांव बुलुंड लिंक रोड शुरू होता है, जो यहाँ से आगे चलकर ये नेशनल पार्क को क्रॉस करते हुए गोरेगांव की तरफ जाएगा, वेस्टर्न लाइन की तरफ. तो ये बिल्कुल यहाँ से शॉर्टकट रास्ता रहेगा. अगर किसी को गोरेगांव अगर वेस्टर्न साइड में जाना है, गोरेगांव कांदीवली बोरीवली की तरफ अगर जाना है, तो ये रोड जो अभी जो बन रहा है, जो अगले 1-1.5 साल के अंदर ये रोड बन जाएगा, तो 1 साल के अंदर ही बन जाना चाहिए बेसिकली. तो जब ये रोड जब कनेक्ट हो जाता है तो इस प्रोजेक्ट को इससे काफ़ी बेनिफिट मिलता है. So connectivity wise, shopping and entertainment wise, and social infrastructure wise, so all these facilities are very close by to this complex. So friends, when you see over here, when you see the view from the 56th floor, this is how the view of the Mulund you will get. All high-rise towers are there over here. And this is east facing view. This is east facing view. So when you see over here, there's a sunrise from here. And there's a one more better view for this complex, that is west facing. So on the west side, you see there's a sunset over here, and there are all high-rise towers are there over here. And this view is taken from the 56th floor of the building. So you can see over here, this is this greenery is basically, it's a national park. So because the national park, it's very big park in Mumbai, and it extends from Borivali, it covers up to from Goregaon and to Mulund and to further up to JVLR side. So this is the back side of the national park, and Goregaon Mulund link road will be crossing this park, and it will be joining somewhere to this project close by junction over there. So you can see the west view is also very good for this complex. Now this is the image of the sample flat, and this is the main door. Let's see inside. When you go inside the flat, so here you see this is Italian marble has been given on the flooring, and full French cut window has been given. And let's see further. So when you see again, this is the dining, this is the living space. Sorry, this is the living space. Dining space uske pehle tha. Or again, let's see the deck. So this is the picture of the deck. So again, when you see here, this is the view of the main door when you come inside from here. And there's a dining space over here, and this is the living space. And from here, you see again, we saw this portion over here. So let's see the passage here. So when you go inside over here, there is one bedroom over here. This is passage for second bedroom, and there's a kitchen here. So let's see the kitchen first. So this is how the kitchen is, and in kitchen also they have a granite platform, and these tiles are given, and well quality tiles has been given, and well quality switches, and this granite platform has been given with proper stainless steel sink and branded quality taps fitting. So, and then there is a provision for dry balcony. There's a utility room is also there over here. Utility area is also there. So you can see there's a place for fridge and for oven. Let's go in the passage. And when you go over here, this is the entry for again second bedroom, and this is again this is one bedroom over here where full French cut window has been given. And when you come out from here, this is the washroom. You see inside the washroom when you see over here. So this is second bedroom, and here you see inside the washroom. Let's see inside. So when you take a 360-degree view of the washroom, so you see below good quality basin and good quality tap with large platform, and even the tiles what they're providing is a good quality tiles over here, which has very decent dark gray green color, you can say, which is a very royal look of the color. And all these finishings, all these taps are all branded quality fittings are there. So we have to check which company developer is giving, but definitely the taps and all will be equivalent to Kolar. So Kolar is a branded company. And back to hall over here. So this is all about sample flat. So you can see even the sample flat virtual tour is very good. and they have designed very well, they have made very well. So sample flat, you can see the platform, the kitchen platform, the flooring and the side walls and the doors and everything's it's all branded quality fittings are there. So friend, this is 2 BHK Elegant. Now the carpet of the 2 BHK Elegant I will show you in the other image. But you have to just see over here, 2 BHK Elegant is well designed. There's a foyer entrance and there's a dining place over here. Then there's a living space over here, and there's a balcony given in one of the flat, and then again one bedroom over here, and second bedroom is over here. So the planning for 2 BHK is very good. It's very well designed. So friend, this is the plan for the Tower A, Podium 4 to 32 floor, and this is 2 BHK Classic. So in Classic, they have around 611 carpet area, and so here you see this is one. There are 9 flats are there in this A wing. There are 9 flats are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So one of the row, which is this side. So one of the row, that means 57 of this type of flat will be there. So so you can see this is 611 carpet area. So this is also where when you come inside, and there's one side there's a bedroom which is attached, and there's a kitchen, and this is a common washroom and one bedroom over here. So here bedrooms are on different directions are there. So this is 3 BHK Grandio. So in 3 BHK Grandio, yeah, there is a entry. The small foyer entry is there, and large size dining room is there. Large size dining place is there. Living room, kitchen, one bedroom. One bedroom, second bedroom. This is attached, and this is a common washroom over here, and one bedroom is over here. So 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3 bedroom. So this is also very well designed. All the flats are rectangle, and all the rooms are designed very well. Again, this is a 3.5 BHK Royal with the one study room. So here also you see this is the entry, foyer entry. This is a servant room over here, which is attached. And again, one bedroom is over here, which is attached. Dining space, living space, and a large size kitchen, and one bedroom is over here. This is study room, and this is third bedroom. So this is one bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, one study room, and one servant room. So servant room is not added, they have not counted in 3.5. So actually they are giving 3.5, and servant room is extra. So this is 3.5 BHK. Now let's see the prices, friends. So prices for these flats are, when you see over here, there are these I told you all earlier, which is 10 level podium parking, 57 habitual floor, and 4.5 acre of plot is given for the recreation garden, and 6.5 acre is under development, which is a freehold land, and 2 BHK Classics, that is 612 square feet, which is for 1 crore 1.58 CR, and 2 BHK Premier, which is 750 square feet carpet, and the price is 1.95 CR. 2 BHK Elegant, 778 square feet carpet, 2.20 CR. 2.5 BHK Imperio, 904 square feet carpet, 2.40 CR. 3 BHK Grandio, 1008 square feet, 2.73 CR, and 2 BHK Supreme, 1070 square feet, which is 2.80 CR, and 3.5 BHK Royal with servant room, which is 1301 square feet. So it is 3.42 CR. And possession for this building is on June 2025. As per RERA, it is June 2026. Now, out of the 5 buildings, this is the only first building which developer is making. And जैसे ये प्रोजेक्ट जब ऊपर आता है थोड़ा सा 50%, 60%, 70% वर्क कंप्लीट हो जाता है, तो उसके बाद विद इन 2-3 months they might come up with the B tower also. So all modern amenities are given, and this is the tallest tower in Mulund, and all the flats are mostly east-west direction, and it's a walking distance to metro station, and L&T construction quality and promises are there because assurance is there, qualities and promises are also there with L&T. So friend, this is all about Rejuve 360 by L&T. For booking, you can contact me on my number 7400138561, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share to this channel, and please watch one video which I'll be showing you after this clip. So please watch that video to get the more thorough knowledge about the project, and see you again with one more project very soon. Thank you for watching this show. Bye bye. See you.